Well, here we continue with more examples of differentiable curves. Last time we have given the definition of differentiable curves. So here is the definition. Mm, so here is the definition. So a smooth map alpha from open interval a comma b to Rn, where a and b these are these are in extended real line. So this is smooth map. So this smooth map, this is called parameterized differentiable curve. Okay, and for n equal to 2, alpha is called plane curve, and for n equal to 3, this is called space curve. And then we have given some examples of, so alpha t equal to the order pair t comma 1 plus 2t, this is straight line, and alpha of t, this is second example, alpha of t equal to t comma t square, this is um, uh, this is the parabola, and we have more parameterizations of parabola. So these are two more parameterizations. Then we note that there are infinitely many parameterization for parabola. Next example is alpha of t equal to the order pair cos cube t comma sine cube t, and then this is the corresponding function if x comma y equal to x power 2 over 3 plus y power 2 over 3 minus 1. So set of all zeros. So the curve is given by um, the following uh, picture. This is the picture for example 3, and so here it is the most interesting example. This is circular helix. Okay, circular helix with radius a and pitch 2 pi b. And example 5, alpha of t equal to the order paired t cube comma t square. So here we note that alpha is differentiable, but its derivative at the point 0 is equal to 0, and such a point t equal to 0 is a bad point. So bad point, which is bad point, t equal to 0, where derivative is equal to 0. So now our next example. So after that we have given one non-example. Um, so here is the non-example. So well, this is page 2, then this is page 3. Next one is page 4. This is page 5, example 2. Page 6. Next page is page 7. This is page 7. Okay, so topics for this part. Continue with examples. Second, more definitions. Differentiability, trace, and tangent. Then third topic is characterization of straight lines. Okay, so next page is page 8. So let us start with more examples. So last time we have given, so which example we have given? So example 5, and this is non-example, this is 6. Now example 7. Okay, so alpha is from minus infinity to infinity, that is equal to r to uh, to r2. So this is plane curve given by alpha of t. This is equal to t cube minus 4t comma t square minus 4. So and so the picture of this curve is following. So this is the picture. Now example 8. Consider alpha comma beta from, let's say, r to r2. So this is also a plane curve. So these are also plane curves defined by alpha of t equal to cos t comma sin t, and beta t equal to cos 2t comma sin 2t. So these are parameterizations, so parameterized circle. So two different parameterization of circle, or maybe unit circle, more precisely unit circle. So this is circle with center at origin and radius 1, so unit circle, and this is differentiable curve. Okay, so every point has a width. So there are no point where its derivative is 0. And also one thing you can notice, so for alpha prime of t, this is equal to what, minus sin t comma cos t, and beta prime of t, this is equal to 2 minus 2 sin 2t comma 2 cos 2t, and this implies alpha prime t has constant norm, this is equal to 1, uh, and so that is this is unit vector, and why but beta prime t has norm. What is norm? Norm is 2, and so this is not unit, but alpha and beta prime, both have non-zero derivative. Okay, and next example, example 9. So page number 9 and example 9, page 9, example 9. alpha t, this is equal to exponential b t cos t comma e power b t times sin t and times a. Okay, so this is called logarithmic spiral. Example 10. So this is semi-cubical parabola. Alpha t, this is equal to t square comma t cube. This is a bad curve at 0. So this is a differentiable or smooth curve, but at 0 alpha has derivative 0. And then example 11. So exercise, plot these curves. Okay, so this is an exercise. You may have some app to plot parameterized curve. Okay, and next example is cycloid. Alpha t, this is equal to a t minus b sine t comma a minus b cos t. So this is cycloid. 11, then 12, figure 8. So this is called figure 8 curve. So given by alpha t, this is equal to sine t comma sine t cos t. So picture of this like 8. So this is figure 8. Then we have few more examples. Cardioids, example 13. Alpha t, this is equal to a times 1 plus cos t times cos t. So these are all plane curves. To a 1 plus cos t times sin t, where where a and b, these are reals, and so here we have only one constant, a. So let a is real. So try to plot considering a equal to 1. Okay, so one more example. So this is the last one, alpha. So well, this is the last one, alpha t, this is equal to 1 plus 2 cos t times sin t comma 1 plus 2 cos t times cos t. So this is So now we go to the next section, more definitions. So this is page 10. This is page 11. More definitions. So more definitions. So first we discuss differentiability. So suppose alpha from I to Rn, then differentiability of alpha. So alpha of t, so alpha of t, this is an element in Rn. So this looks like alpha 1 of t and so on alpha n of t. So then for each so this for each I belongs to the set 1 and so on n, we have a real valued function alpha I. So we have a real valued function alpha I from I to R. So t maps to alpha I t. Okay, so alpha is differentiable, means alpha is differentiable or smooth, means alpha I from I to R for I equal to 1 and so on n are differentiable. And here this t, so t is parameter, so that is so this is, suppose this is parameterized curve. So where is the parameter? So t is the parameter. Next page is page 11. So this is page 12. So now we define tangent. So definition. So we consider parameterized curves only. So let alpha from a b to Rn be a, so let this be a parameterized differentiable curve. Then the tangent vector of alpha at the time t, of alpha at time t is given by alpha prime of t, this is equal to alpha 1 prime t and so on alpha n prime t. Okay, so this is called tangent vector and speed. So norm of this tangent vector alpha prime of t, so norm of this is called the speed of the curve alpha at time t. So the tangent vector of alpha at time t or at the point alpha of t. Okay, so Now we consider example. And okay, so let me give one more definition first, then I'll give example definition of trace. Trace of alpha is basically the image of alpha. So alpha from a comma b to r n, then alpha image of alpha or trace of alpha. This is equal to the set of all points alpha t such that t belongs to uh, open interval a b, and of course this is subset of Rn. So this is the definition of trace. So this is basically image of the function. So now we consider example, page number 13. Consider alpha t equal to cos t comma sin t. T belongs to R. So here alpha is from R2 to R2 R. So trace of alpha, this is basically circle. This is trace of alpha. Now alpha prime t, this is equal to minus sin t comma cos t. So at t equal to 0, alpha prime of 0, this is equal to 0 comma 1. Okay, so this is the vector. So starting point 0 and this is 0 comma 1. And note that this the straight line defined by t 0 from R to R2 defined by t0 of let us use parameter x. So this is equal to alpha of 0 plus x times alpha prime of 0. So alpha of 0, that is equal to alpha of 0 equal to 1 comma 0. So alpha 0 equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, so and plus x times alpha prime 0, so this is equal to 0 comma 1, and this is equal to 1 comma x. Then trace of t0, so this is equal to 0 comma, so 1 comma x such that x belongs to R. So what is this? This is the tangent line at the point alpha 0. So this is, so this is trace of t0. So that is t0 is the tangent, okay, tangent of the curve alpha at the point at the time t equal to 0 or at the point 1 comma 0. Okay, so now consider next example. So page number 14. Consider next example, y equal to mx plus c. So basically we characterize straight lines. So third item, characterization of straight lines. So this is equation of straight line y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the straight line. Okay, then this is straight line in R2, and parametric equation of the straight line is alpha of t equal to t comma mt plus c for t belongs to R. This is parametric equation of the straight line. Then alpha prime of t. So then what is alpha prime of t? This is equal to 1 comma m. So 1 comma m. So this is independent of t. So this is constant. Okay. So a straight line. So any straight line has tangent vector constant. Okay, and we have t0. So at t sub 0 in R, the tangent of alpha at the point t naught is given by, this is equal to t naught plus x comma m times x plus t naught plus c. So how it is obtained? So this is obtained by following. So at t naught belongs to R, t naught of x equal to alpha of t naught plus x times alpha prime t naught. So this is this implies t sub t naught of x equal to, so this is equal to t naught comma m t naught plus c and plus x, and this is equal to 1 comma m. This is constant. This is so this addition is t naught plus x comma m times t naught plus x plus t naught plus c. Okay, so this is, so, and note that trace of alpha equal to trace of t naught. So the straight line itself is the tangent of alpha. Okay, now in the following theorem, so page number 15, theorem, we characterize, we prove the converse part. So in the last example we have every straight line, so every straight line, so every parameterized straight line has a tangent vector as constant. So conversely, if alpha prime of t equal to some constant a for all t belongs to, so t belongs to R, so where consider alpha so instead of R2 you can take Rn, so it will work similarly. So if alpha prime of t equal to a, that is independent of t, that is constant for every, so for all t belongs to R. So let me write here the concrete statement of the theorem. So if alpha prime of t equal to a for all t belongs to R, where a is a constant vector in R2, or Rn. So here we are using R2 only. Then we have alpha t. This is equal to, so this is equal to integration d alpha. So maybe I can write alpha prime u or alpha prime t. So let me write again. Alpha t equal to integration alpha prime t dt. Okay, and this is equal to t a times b, where b is another constant, where b belongs to R2 constant, another constant vector. And if a not equal to 0, then so if this derivative is not equal to 0, then alpha t, this is equal to t a plus b, is the parametric equation of the straight line parallel to a, and passing through b. For t equal to 0, so alpha of 0 equal to b, so through passing through b. And if a equal to 0, then alpha is a single point, so image single point. Okay, so let us stop here. Thank you.